everyone, happy Monday. I got out of work and it's about 6 o'clock. My sister's making us dinner today. She's making lasagna rolls. So I typically don't make like real lasagna. I make lasagna rolls, and she wanted to learn how to make them. So that's what we're doing right now. She's doing most of the work. I'm just kind of guiding her to make sure that she's doing it properly. So I'm going to show you guys what we have going so far. Today, honestly, I didn't really want to work. I felt like I was on vacation mentally. Like I just wasn't in the game today because of the game, you know. But here we are, you know, life goes on. It is what it is. But if you follow me on Instagram, that if you don't, you should. I have been posting nonstop about anything that I find about Argentina because well, the camera cut me off, but I was saying that I'm posting about anything and everything that I can find because I can and I want to. So yeah, that's what I've been doing over there. It's fine, he's eating Parmesan.
Well, I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose. Moving nimbly, did you hear something from the chimney? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Qué lindo momento. Campeones del mundo ya en Argentina. Y vos que te la
Subir al micro, están subiendo todos sus elementos personales. Partir así.
Alright, I think it's time to go to bed now. It is 11:30, past my bedtime, but we stayed up because they were showing a live stream of the Argentina. Huh?
Turned it off?
Oh, you turned it on?
Yeah.
Oh, I was like, where the heck is that going? I didn't realize you'd done it. I thought I was doing it automatically. Sorry. We were watching the Argentina soccer team arrive to Argentina. They had just arrived, and they were showing like the chaos that it was or is, or I guess was, all the people that were surrounding the bus. They had like an open rooftop bus situation, which I don't know. As much fun as I think it is, I think it was kind of dangerous on their part, but whatever. And they had to control it. They were going kind of wild. People were throwing stuff, but it seems like it wasn't too bad. It seems like the players were okay. I guess tomorrow they're supposed to be coming out to celebrate. I'm not sure exactly what that's going to look like, but they expect it to be so much worse than it was today. So that's crazy. But it was fun to be able to watch it. I found a live stream on YouTube that they were streaming directly from Argentina. So that was really cool. But I'm very tired. It's time to sleep. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this short little vlog. And that's it. Bye.